User role-based pricing is a feature in WooCommerce that allows you to set different prices for different user roles. This can be useful if you want to offer discounts or special pricing to certain groups of customers. How to set up user role-based pricing on your WooCommerce store. In today's dynamic market, catering to diverse customer segments is key to maximizing sales and customer satisfaction. ELEX WooCommerce Role-based pricing plugin empowers you to set custom prices based on user roles, tailoring your pricing strategy to individual customer needs. This plugin transforms your WooCommerce store into a dynamic marketplace, ensuring every customer gets the best value possible. This is a basic version of ELEX WooCommerce Catalog Mode, Wholesale and Role-based pricing plugin, which offers more exciting features like support for variable products, tax display options, prices suffix based on user roles, individual product adjustment, and much more. To install WooCommerce Role-based pricing, go to Plugins from the WordPress dashboard. Click Add New Plugin. Search for WooCommerce Role-based pricing. Then install it, activate it. Let's say we have an unregistered user coming to the site. We are giving them a 5% discount. For that, go to Setting. Click Unregistered User from Individual Product Adjustment. Add Unregistered User. Then scroll down, click Add Rule. Then add Unregistered User, give the category, and give the price adjustment, % as 5%, click Enable and save changes. Now go to the shop page as an unregistered user and click on the product. And you can see the price discount. Now we have a customer user who is already a regular user, so for this customer, let's set a discount of 20%. In the user role, add customer, give the category. Then give the price adjustment as 20%, then save changes. Visit the shop page and go to the product as the discount is given. You can see the price deduction. Some of the additional features of role-based pricing are role-based pricing for various product types, category-specific pricing for different products, wholesale pricing across product types, customer-specific pricing tailored to each product, request a quote for any product. From the basic version, you can use simple products. For additional features, variable products, and other products, you need to go for the premium version. To install the plugin, click the link in the description. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.